Hey everybody, I got a quick tool haul to do from Acme Tools. This is going to be order 2 part 4, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, so this is order number 2 from Acme Tools. It is going to be part 4. I have a couple more coming, so but acmetools.com on the side of the box. We're going to open the box. This is just going to be a quick look. This is not going to be the unboxing. The unboxing will be in a different video to keep these videos kind of low, not 15 minutes long or whatever. All the packing or whatever. That's something I do not like, how they package. There's a hole in the box right here, and look at everything's just thrown in the box. You got your packing slip, two 6s, two 3s, the M18 Rover light, and another $100 wine voucher. Okay. That's everything that I got. This is just first part of order 2. So there's 2 XC 6.0s. These were technically on sale for $179 at Home Depot. I believe I got these for $159 at Acme Tools. I don't remember exactly. Let me see. Yeah, I got it for $179. Exact same. This one I got it for $99, which is the exact same as Home Depot as well. And then this one I got for $79 with just the light by itself. This is just going to be a quick look. Part number for the M18 Rover light is 2365-20, which the package is ripped. The 2-pack of the CP 3.0s is 48-11-1837, and the 2-pack of the high output 6s is 48-11-1862. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.